Why is nobody talking about this towering statue in Nkanu land? Who is this man? His Royal Highness Igwe Samuel Emeka Nnaji was a towering figure in Nkanu land, renowned for his exceptional leadership, vision and achievement. As the greatest Igwe Amagunze and Nkanu land has ever known, he left an indelible mark on his community. Igwe Nnaji's impressive resume boasts of numerous prestigious positions, including chairman of Ankoto West African Limited, a principal partner in Hedel and Enik Construction Company, which built the iconic Atavu Bridge, the former chairman of Premier Breweries Limited. His leadership acumen also earned him the position of the chairman of the defunct Anambra State Council of Traditional Rulers. One of his most notable achievements was his instrumental role in establishing Amagunze as the headquarters of the defunct Nkanu local government, which later became the Nkanu East local government. This testament to his dedication and perseverance has cemented his legacy as a hero in Nkanu land. Igwe Nnaji's impact expands beyond his impressive titles and achievements. He was a beloved and respected figure, revered for his wisdom, kindness and generosity. Even in death, his legacy continues to inspire and influence the people of Nkanu land, who still fondly remember him as the Atakata Abo one of Wawa land and the Nze one of Amagunze. In recognition of his remarkable contributions, Igwe Nnaji remains a legendary figure, dwarfing his contemporaries and successors. His selfless vision and leadership has created a lasting impact in Nkanu land, ensuring that his memory will continue to be celebrated for generations to come. Tell me in the comments if you've actually visited where this statue is located in Nkanu land.